Alonnie is intuitive, thoughtful, disciplined. Alonnie does not do anything without pre-thought and a plan.
I love school because it's something new every day.
Gosh, she's just phenomenal, dynamic. She's a trailblazer.
My mom likes to say that I'm very competitive, which is true.
She brings valid points with solutions. She doesn't just bring problems.
She started a nonprofit Youth for Change because she saw that our area was devastated, and she did small business grants with the Community Foundation.
I love community service. I like to go to the nursing homes and talk with the residents.
And she just kind of shines this light everywhere she goes. You're attracted to that warmth and that glow, that she puts off.
Whatever she does is not about Alonnie. It's always about how is she going to help someone else.
Everything is done because I want to make the world a better place for everyone who comes after me.
She just has this wisdom in a way of, she's so intuitive, and so she sees the needs in others, and she has vision.
Wise beyond her years, and she's going to go a lot further than me.
Really, the biggest dream is to be on the Supreme Court or a politician. I don't know, I kind of feel like I'd be good at that, but I really like science too.
She's going to shatter every ceiling. She's going to trailblaze. She's going to ignite passion in everyone that she comes in contact with.
I would send Alonnie anywhere that her presence was requested to represent Barb High School in Calcasieu Parish without any hesitation. She's that kind of kid.
She is truly an unforgettable individual and student, and so deserving of every honor.
Whenever Student of the Year came around, they said, let's look at your test scores, your academic achievement, and your community involvement, and those are all things that I'm very passionate about.
I hope there's a bunch more Alonnies in the pipeline, because Calcasieu Parish needs them, Barb High School needs them.
Not many people look like me who get this far in different things or get these types of opportunities. My legacy is not for someone to try and be like me, but for someone to look at me and say, I can be better, and then that's their motivation to be better.
The world and all of us are better for knowing Alonnie Celestine.